welcome back to our channel. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and we are doing Jenny's Countdown to Christmas if you are with us for the last 6 days. Today we have day number 7 to unbag, so let's go ahead and see what we got. Here's what number 7 looks like. It says Quilty Delivery. Let's see what's inside. So cute. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It's a binder. This is so cute. It says fabric and applique storage binder. Store and organize your 5-inch square pre-cuts. Okay, we got some of those already. Your applique stencils, got some of those already. And applique shapes. 2 vinyl zipper pouches are included. They are 7.5 inches by 8 inches wide. And then we have 2 fabric storage boards inside. That's interesting. I want to see what that looks like. So let's go ahead and take this off. Has a cute little thing here to close. This is what it looks like inside. It has those 2 prongs, which is perfect for our little template pouch that we got yesterday. And then there's additional pouches here and here. And like the other one had as well, you can actually go ahead and name whatever's inside this pouch. You can take out this little, I guess it's like a cardboard, kind of like a cardboard piece. And then there's also cardboard in here for fabric, it says. So you can put your little 5-inch square charm packs right here. Kind of want to see how this works. So hold on, let me get those charm packs that we got the other day. All right, so here's the charm pack that we got the other day. Let's go ahead and see how this works out. I'm excited to see. I think it's curious that it's not in like the middle of the board. It's up at the top. Let's see here. Still works though, and there's like a little grippy kind of rubber on the back of this little thing here, this little elastic. All right, it kind of works. Like I said, I do wonder why it's not in the middle though. I feel like that would be good. Maybe because this would flop down, I guess, and maybe create a problem. All right, let's go ahead and put that in the bag and see how easy it is to put in the bag. I'll go ahead and remove it from the binder first. Okay, so here's our little bag. This is so cute. I'm going to put it upside down like this because I feel like it would be a pain to try to get all of these little loose pieces. And then we're going to zipper it. That is the perfect little storage. Oh my gosh. And then you could put Maywood Studio up here, right? 5-inch charm pack. Okay, so I went ahead and put our template letters here. And then I went ahead and put our charm pack here. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. And it's a really nice thick, I want to say it's probably 3 inches thick. Yeah, that's probably about 3 inches. And oh, you can name that as well. So that paper comes out as well. All right, and those store in there perfectly. I would love to know if you can get more of these bags on Missouri Star's website. I'll go ahead and let you guys know down below. I'll do a little research on that. Oh, I really can't pick a favorite gift so far. These are all just so amazing. Please let me know what your thoughts are down below. I am so excited. And tomorrow is day number 8. I will see you here at 11 a.m. Eastern time for day number 8. Bye everybody. Have a great day.